Okay, my first grade friends, I'm back, and we are going to talk a little more about word endings today. I want you to take a look at this poem I have for you. Do you guys remember at the beginning of the year when we were making letter smoothies? Like, I would tell you, put in the letter S, put in the letter T, shake it up, and you've got st. Do you remember that? Okay, I hope you do, because we're actually going to look at it, or look at a poem about it today. So I'm going to read you this poem. The first time, I just want you to listen. Just listen and follow along. Making a smoothie for my friend to drink. I will add some cold ice, I think. How about berries or a peach? Blend it up. Let's go to the beach. Do you guys like smoothies? Me too. Smoothie king. I know Mrs. Bluette loves it too. Come on, Mrs. Bluette. You know you love Smoothie King. All right, so we're going to look through this today, and we're going to see if we can find some of those blend word endings, okay? So I wonder if my highlighter will work. Let me try. Can't promise, but we'll try. I just don't want it to be so dark you can't see it. All right, let's read this first line. Making a smoothie. Now, I see a blend, but I don't see an ending blend there. Making a smoothie. Let's go to the next line. For my friend to drink. Do you see any there? I'll give you a second to shout it out. Yep, I see one right there. That chunk, or blend, like an and. Okay? To drink. Do you see one in this word? Yeah, that chunk, like in pink, or I keep saying chunk. That's old school first grade. The blend, drink. Good. I will add some cold. Do you see any blend endings there? I see the old and cold. I will add some cold ice, I think. We have, see anything? Yep, just like in pink and drink, we have this blend. Good. How about berries? Did we see any there? Any blends at the end? Or a peach. Do you see a blend? Or a peach. We see CH. That's not a blend. It's a digraph. Blend it up. Ooh, look at this word. Blend. Well, we see one at the beginning, don't we? Bowl, like in blue or below. And we see like in friend. Blend. That blend. Blend it up. Let's go to the beach. Great job, guys. Give yourselves a pat in the back. Let's go ahead and read this together one more time. And I want you to pay special attention to where we see a blend at the end of a word. And I want you to give me a big thumbs up, okay, when you see those. Making a smoothie for my friend to drink. I will add some cold ice, I think. How about berries or a peach? Blend it up. Let's go to the beach. What do you think, guys? Very, very good. All right. I am so proud of you learning about these tricky blend endings that we only see at the end of words. And I will see you, let's see, today is Wednesday. Mrs. Miller's going to be in charge Thursday. So I will see you on Friday. Have a great day.